I am going to cause a tornado. Ha 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 ha. I'm home.
Look, Joey, there's a news story on a tornado.
Good evening. I am news reporter Lawrence. Today we are looking at an earlier tornado. We now take you to our correspondent, Jennifer.
Thank you, Lawrence. The tornado came unexpectedly and there was no warning. The NWS said there was no beginning in sight. We will now talk to an eyewitness.
I think I saw a kid down the street who looks like our neighbor Joey.
Yeah, I know him. He's a mischief maker at my school. He must be grounded right now.
Joey, the people on the news are saying you started that tornado. Is that true?
Yes.
You started that tornado. Oh. Joey, how do you start a tornado?
You are grounded for 80 years. Go to your room now.